Alright, you guys. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I'm a little hyper. It's late at night, and I am hyper. But this video is a hair tutorial-ish on how I curl my hair. I have so much hair now that a lot of people think that I wear extensions when I have my hair curled. So I kind of want to do this and show you guys like my natural hair. It's all my natural hair. I have no extensions, but my hair is very, very thick and I have a ton of hair, so it looks like I have extensions on when I curl my hair. But yeah, I really, really love how my hair looks curled. My hair, because of the length now, it doesn't really look that great straight, so I just tend to curl it more often, or I just leave it natural. But I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. Let me know in the comments down below how you like it. But let's just get on to how I curl my hair. So the first thing you do obviously is, I'm gonna brush out my hair. The first thing I do is obviously brush out my hair. My hair is really, really long right now, so do you see how long this hair is? It's hella long. So then I'm gonna go in with my protecting and silk blow. It's a quick drying thermal spray. Don't really like this one because it's just like, it's not really a spray, kind of like just squirts everywhere. But it does smell good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair. I usually only section it in two parts. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. 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 Say hello. Hi. He's always trying to eat. This is the main thing, is eating. So yeah, this is what I do. I always do it away from my face. I don't know, I just kind of like how it looks like away from my face. So yeah, so this is pretty much what I do. So from here on out, I'm just gonna kind of do fast forward, and I'll see you guys at the end. Hella weird because I just wrapped the cord around me. I don't know how I did that. I'm not doing this right today. I'm like struggling today. Quiero pelear y fumarme un blunt. I fucking love that TikTok. I love how Kathleen did it. Okay. I don't know what happened to my hair right there, but oh, don't I look cute? Ooh, I look cute. Ooh. I look real cute like this. It's all like curled out, you see, like it's very curly, right? Okay, so I kind of just like running my fingers through it and giving it more volume. And kind of separating the curls so they're not so tight. As you can see. Yeah, so this is the finished look. I usually go in with a cream. Let me go get that real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so quickly I put this in to finish what I have to do. I use this cream to kind of put down my hair, and so it's not so frizzy. And just run it on the top of my hair. So this is how I curl my hair, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is a new video type of video that I do on my channel. So let me know if you guys are interested in more hairstyle videos or any other kind of videos down in the comments down below. I gotta rush off because my son is screaming up a storm with my mom. My mom can't calm him down because he is hungry. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!